Redefining wealth. What if I told you that some of the richest people in the world are actually poor? They have money in the bank, cars in the driveway, and titles on their business cards, but no time to enjoy life, no health to sustain it, and no freedom to live on their own terms. For generations, we've been taught a narrow definition of wealth. More money equals more success. But look around. How many people are exhausted? How many are trapped in jobs they hate? How many are sacrificing their health, relationships, and joy just to earn more? Today, let's challenge the old definition of wealth, because true wealth is not only about income. True wealth is about time, health, and freedom. And when you understand this, your entire life strategy changes. The illusion of money-only wealth. Money is important, let's be clear. Money solves problems. Money creates opportunities. But money alone does not guarantee a rich life. Think about this. What's the point of having a high income if you have no time to enjoy it? What's the value of luxury if your body is breaking down? What's the meaning of success if you are a prisoner of your own lifestyle? Many people don't own their money. Their money owns them. They wake up early, come home late, repeat the cycle, and tell themselves, one day I'll enjoy life. But life is happening now. True wealth isn't how much you make, it's how much life you get to live. Time, the most valuable currency. Time is the only currency you can never earn back. You can lose money and make it again. You can fail and rebuild. But once a moment is gone, it's gone forever. Yet most people trade their time carelessly. They sell their best hours, their best energy, and their best years for a paycheck, without asking, is this life aligned with who I want to become? True wealth means time to think, time to rest, time to learn, time with family, time to pursue purpose. A wealthy life gives you control over your calendar, because if you don't control your time, someone else will. Health, the foundation of every dream. Health is the silent partner of success. You don't notice it when it's there, but when it's gone, nothing else matters. What good is a full bank account if you're too sick to enjoy it? What good is success if you're constantly tired, stressed, or burned out? Many people spend their youth chasing money, then spend their money trying to buy back their health. True wealth means energy in the morning, strength in your body, peace in your mind, and balance in your life. Your health is not an expense, it is an investment, because without health, every dream becomes heavy. With health, even simple days feel rich. Freedom, the ultimate luxury. Freedom is the ability to choose. Choose how you work, choose where you live, choose who you spend time with, choose what matters to you. Many people earn money but lose freedom. They're afraid to quit, afraid to rest, afraid to say no, afraid to slow down. True freedom is not needing to impress anyone. True freedom is not being controlled by fear. True freedom is having options. Freedom doesn't mean doing nothing. It means doing what aligns with your values. And freedom starts in the mind, long before it shows up in your bank account. The balance between income and life. Income is a tool, not a goal. Money should serve your life, not replace it. The goal is not to work forever. The goal is to build systems, skills, and habits that create sustainable income, flexible time, strong health, and inner peace. True wealth asks different questions. Does this work support my life? Does this lifestyle support my health? Does this success support my happiness? If money costs you your health, it's too expensive. If success steals your time, it's too costly. If achievement removes your freedom, it's not success. Wealth is personal, not comparative. One of the biggest traps is comparison. Someone else's dream life may be your nightmare. Someone else's success may feel empty to you. True wealth is personal. For some, it's building a business. For others, it's raising a family. For some, it's freedom to travel. For others, it's peace and simplicity. Stop chasing society's version of success. Start designing your own definition of wealth. Because a life that looks successful but feels wrong is still a failure. Building true wealth daily. True wealth isn't built in one big moment. It's built in daily choices. Choosing rest over burnout. Choosing health over shortcuts. Choosing time over ego. Choosing freedom over fear. Ask yourself every day, is this decision making my life richer or just my wallet? Small habits create big lives. Small boundaries protect big dreams. Small changes today create freedom tomorrow. A wake-up call. One day, your life will flash before your eyes. Not your salary, not your job title, not your possessions, but moments, memories, people, peace. And the question won't be, how much money did you make? The question will be, did you live well? Did you have time? Did you protect your health? Did you experience freedom? That is true wealth. Let money be part of your wealth, but never the whole story. Build income, yes, but also build time you control, health you protect, and freedom you value. Because at the end of the day, a rich life is not measured by numbers. It's measured by how fully you lived. Choose true wealth. Design your life. And remember, you don't need more money to be rich. You need more life.